Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Joe Nall 2025. You know what time it is. It's noontime. That's right folks, and you can see once again, you know the man. You're the man who has changed aerobatics as we know it. Put your hands together for Jace, the ace, to see ya. That's right folks, can you really ever get enough of Jace? I mean, come on, the man is just awesome. They got his edge going up. They've got that cap there on the left, both by Flex Innovation. So folks, sit back, relax. Grab the bottom of your jaw, because when it drops to the floor, when you see the extreme flying that Jace is capable of, you're going to need to pick it right back up. All right, friends, enjoy the flight.
Cooper, 16 years old, first time on the main line, flying that beautiful Cat 232. He bought his first airplane from me, a year and a half ago. Now he's flying on the main line demo. So pretty cool. Jace Ducey is flying that gorgeous new 180cc rating for Flex Innovation. See what you see. I'm going to bet this is going to be a great show. Both of these aircraft, the Cat 232, available in stock now. Right behind you is the Flex Innovation booth. Also, there are a couple of those big, beautiful 180cc rated in stock. I believe they are limited, going fast and showing very well. And of course, both of these airplanes in stock and available through our new in-supply program. Oh yes, that's the flag program. Tell me a little bit about that. In-supply, myself is all of us at Full Throttle RC. We can now ship you ready to fly dash airplanes to your front door. And how well that product is and how we're able to do that. So, I support anybody in the Flex booth and ask more questions about that. Now, Cooper again on the Cat 232 with the smoke on coming from the left, Jace rifle rolling out at show center. So, Chris, you heard how we're doing a solo, right? I'm willing to bet you're going to see one of these boys. Yeah, absolutely. I'll take the Jace said he'll eliminate more this one. He'll go reversing rifle rolls right off the bat. Want to point out that beautiful graphics package on that Cat 332. All of those are available. That is done by a gentleman standing back here behind me. This spring, the outside graphics of blue. Please make sure you're to the that is the one with the new PA-180 in it. Cooper flying the Cat 232 with the GP-76.
Cut back to Cooper for a little bit, folks. The cap over there.
We're going to finish up and let Jace finish the show.
Okay, he's coming in for a landing. All right.
Big round of applause. First time on the main live demos. Cooper Duro, everybody. Fantastic job, buddy. I caught it here. It comes from the Jace Ducey. Give us that slow. Now that's a slow roll. Are you happy? That's a slow roll, my friend. I can always count on Jace to give me a beautiful textbook slow roll. In the 40% class of birds, notice how agile it is. Jace Ducey is designer, also GK They did something really special when they designed this aircraft. You can see how nimble, how quick it is for a 40% aircraft. It's so agile, the whole 40% used to be slow and sluggish, we used to roll slow, but now the 40% protects it up to the 35%. Crazy world, making that thing talk as always.
Way folks.
Here we go. Diving run rolls. Reverses it, reverses the fly. Down, back up. Incredible maneuver. Why he's one of the best in the country. That's in the world. That's in the world. In the world. I missed the cue on that. If somebody's flying better than that somewhere else, we gotta find it. Jake is no stranger to the spotlight here on the scene. He's thrown every single puncher that he can possibly World Championships, freestyle World Championships. Oh, you need a world trees. Oh, man. Both of these guys are down on the 3D line, get busy with these airplanes all the time. So if you want to see more about them, want to see them fly, want to purchase one for yourself, come down on the 3D line, check them out, talk to Jake Cooper, lots of the team guys down there, or of course the Flex Innovations booth, DK and Josh and Ryan, I believe, back there, always able to help you and can bring you up one of these today.
Look at that. Look at that. I'll tell you folks, I gotta be honest with you. We're gonna call that I can't get enough of Jace butter. That's right folks, when you can't get enough of Jace and he lands that smooth, what else are you gonna say? You know what I mean? Alright friends, more to come.